Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, Tammy Thompson/TVMG. Today I'm participating in an open invite collaboration called Mental Health Awareness Tablescape for 2020. This tablescape is hosted by DIY Designs by CCW. We were to use the colors of mental health awareness, which are gray, silver, blue, and green on our tablescape. We could dedicate the table to someone if we wanted to, and we were to talk a little bit about mental health. I have gone through some mental health challenges myself, and it was when I was living in Atlanta, and I went through a long bout of depression. There are so many programs and options available for anyone that is suffering from any kind of mental health disease. I will have some links in the description below. But I did think it was very interesting that a lot of people feel like mental health is a new thing. But when I was researching mental health awareness and the different illnesses that people could have, I was very shocked to see that May has been Mental Health Awareness Month since 1949. Please make sure that you read in the description box. Don't just kind of glance over it. I'll have some statistics in there and some links to help if you need help dealing with this disease. I have my napkin rings are from, I think I got those from Amazon. The gray napkins are from Amazon as well. The blue saucer or smaller plates is from Dollar Tree. My green napkins are actually from Pier 1. It was a going out of business sale. The clear plates are from Dollar Tree. You've seen me use those quite a few times. And the green chargers are from a seller on Macari. The silver placemat that is underneath is actually from a store called Roses. And I know a lot of people don't have Roses because I've been asked about that placemat before. The green glasses are actually my mom's. I have no idea where she got those from. And the feather fan I got from Michael's, and that was for a Christmas tree that I did. And I put those on there to represent angel wings on the table for those who are suffering from this disease. So make sure you like the video, share the video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel. Also, hit that bell and you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. And please don't forget to head over to DIY Designs by CCW. Head over to her channel, make sure you subscribe and hit her bell as well so you're notified whenever she uploads new videos. She has a DIY channel. She does shopping hauls, tablescapes. Some of her older videos are of her remodeling her own home. She purchased an old home that needed some help, and she's remodeling that. And she kind of takes us through the steps of what she did to get her home to the way that she wanted it. So Her channel is full of insightful DIYs and other videos for, like I said, her own home, showing her own home and bringing us in on that. Tablescapes, hauls. So she has a lot of things on her channel. So you guys make sure that you support Candy over at DIY Designs by CCW. Until next time, you guys.